All right, well, what we got here is a 2010 Chevy Cobalt. It's the 2.0 liter dual overhead cam 4-cylinder automatic car. And the problem that I had was it was broke down in the parking lot somewhere. I went and checked it out, and what I found was this bundle of wires, I've got it taped off right now, had rubbed on this oil filter housing right here. It rubbed on that edge right there, that oil filter housing. And that sharp edge right here cut into those wires, and they all shorted out. And I had to repair them in the parking lot. And I just got finished putting a waterproof connectors on it. I'm going to shrink those up and tape this whole thing. But what I wanted to show is that this convoluted tubing that's on here is all rotted and the tape is all gone. So this may be something for Chevy Cobalt owners to check out. That stuff just disintegrates when you touch it. Just falls off. So I see lots of wiring problems in the future for this. Just a word of warning to those out there. And it's falling off everywhere. All of it just disintegrates. So that's what we got going on here. Have a good day. Bye.